Hello class 1. How are you children? I hope you all are keeping well, isn't it? So children, now we will start our English language class. Okay, English literature class. English literature class. So this is a book, New Mulberry, and today we will discuss page number 54 of this book. Page number 54, chapter 5. This is page number 54. Okay, open your book at page number 54 and let us discuss the exercises given at the back of the chapter. Okay, and we were discussing the chapter Susan loves, isn't it? I have explained, and children listen. Below I will, in the description box, click in the description box, you will get a link where I will send the question answer of baby chick. Okay, question answers of baby chick. Clear? Because due to some technical problem we have not got the question answer of baby chicks. So in the link you click below in the description box, you will get the attachment that I have sent for you. Write it down properly in your CW copy. Okay children, is it clear? Don't forget to click in the description box below to get the question answer of baby chicks, which I have already given once, but due to some problem in the device or maybe in the network connection, you have not got it till now. Okay, children, let us start with chapter 5, and the exercise that we will do is word wall. Okay, word wall, page number 54. Page number 54 we will do. Now see children, what we will do in page number 54, this one, word wall. So one crossword is there. I think you all will love to do the crossword, isn't it? We all love to do crossword. Yes. See, Susan does a lot of things in the story. Word wall, page number 54. Susan does a lot of things in the story. The box below contains some words that shows action. In the story we have learned that Susan does so many things, many action, loves, sings, play, etc. So find these words in the grid. One has been done for you. See what are the things she does. See in the box it is given. This is the box, it is given here. Love. Susan love, jump, run, sing, sit. Isn't it? All these things you have to find out here. One is done for you. See, jump. J-U-M-P. Jump. Clear? So what is the next word? That is, no, love is done. Love. One is done, that is jump, sorry. Jump is done for you. Then what is the other word? Love, run, sing and sit. Love, run, sit and sing we have to do. Clear? Now see, find out love. Can you find out love from here? Check this way. Across. You can check down. This way. I think love is here. L-A-U-G-H. Isn't it? Yes. So you will circle. L-A-U-G-H. This way you will circle love. L-A-U-G-H, love. Done. Jump is done for you. And what else she does in the story? Run. Now try to find out run. See in the middle you will get across. Run. R-U-N. R-U-N. So you will encircle it like this. I'll show you how you'll do. See. Run. Is it clear? R-U-N, run. J-U-M-P, jump. She jumps in the chapter. She runs in the chapter. She loves in the chapter. So all these are what? Action words. What are the actions she does? Now next one is sing. Now you try to find out sing from here in the box. Where will get sing? See, last side down. See this corner. this corner down. Sing you will find here. Got it? S-I-N-G. So you encircle it. Okay. Downward. S-I-N-G. Sing. S-I-N-G. I hope you are doing with me. You love to do this thing, isn't it? Sing. What else she does? Sit. S-I-T. Sit. See, last part you will find sit. S-I-T. Try to find out. I will help you out surely. Down. I'm giving you one hint. Not down. Across. Last. Come towards the bottom. I think you have got it. See? Sit. S-I-T. Sit. S-I-T. Sit. I have encircled. So what are the things she does? She loves. Then she jumps. She runs. She sings. She sits. So these are the action words, and action words are also known as doing words. And in the next class, when you go to class 2, you will learn more about them. These are called verb. I think in language class you will get in this year also. Okay, so this way we have done the jumble words here. Okay, now then we will do the opposites. Opposites, how we will do? See, page number 54. Susan is happy, Susan is sad. These are the emotions I told you in the class when I explained. She was happy at times and at times she was sad. Isn't it? So these are the opposites. Isn't it? See, here you can see the picture of a boy. This boy is sitting and this boy is standing. So what is the opposite of sit? Stand. Sit, stand. This is called opposites. Okay. Next picture you see day night. Here 2 pictures are given. One shows daytime and other shows night. So what is the opposite of day? Opposite of day is night. Isn't it? So these are called opposites. So many opposites you will find here. Then turn the page. Come to page number 55. See. This is tea. I think tea is. Isn't it? Tea is hot. H-O-T, hot. And ice cream is always cold. Isn't it? So it is cold. Clear? Hot, cold. Opposites. Then see 2 jars. You can see 2 jars. One is empty, one is full. Nothing is there in the jar. So it is empty and this is full. Isn't it? We have seen something kept inside the jar. Isn't it? So this is also opposites. Okay, what are the opposites that we have learned here? Sit, stand. Then next one, day, night. Then hot, cold. Then empty, full. So these are the opposites we have learned here. Okay. Now we'll do one exercise. See, number 2. You will do with me, okay children? I don't think I'm very fast. All take a pencil in your hand. I think you are ready with the pencil and an eraser. We will do this one in this class. Okay, say. Look at the underlined words. Write their opposites in the given blanks. So you can see 4 sentences given here. One word is underlined. See, look properly. And you can find beside this 4 blanks. So you have to write the opposite of the word that is underlined here. So in this sentence, I think, see, up is underlined. Let me read the sentence for you. The little girl ran up the stairs. She ran up the stairs. So what is the opposite of up? Yes, tell. Up, down. So what will write in the blank? You'll write D-O-W-N, down. Up, down. Done. Understood? Yes. Next one, B. Read with me. John is very tall. John is a boy who is very tall. What is the opposite of tall? Short. Opposite of tall is short. So you'll write short in the blanks. So S-H-O-R-T, short. See, S-H-O-R-T, short. Done. Here tall is underlined. Yes, write down fast. Okay, write with me. Don't commit a mistake. Okay, write properly. S-H-O-R-T, short. Now number C. Minnie has a big book. Minnie has a big book. What is the small opposite of big? Small. Big, small. So what you'll write? Big is underlined. So you have to write the opposite of the word that is underlined here. So you'll write small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. Done? Good. Now next one. Simi, number D. Simi has short hair. Simi is a girl. She has short hair. What is the opposite of short? Long. Isn't it? Short is long. So what you'll write here? L-O-N-G. This means Simi has long hair. Simi has opposite of short is long. Is it clear, children? So we have learned so many opposites today. Here 4 opposites. Here also 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the other page more were there. So this is 1. Then this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this side also 2 more. Sit, stand, day, night. Read with me. Sit, stand, day, night. Then hot, cold, empty, full, up, down. Then big. Next one is up, down. Then next one is tall, short, big, small. Then last one is short, isn't it? Short, then short hair. When you talk about hair, it's not tall. When you speak about a tree or a person, it is tall. When you talk about hair, it is always long. So short, according to the sentence, it will be long here. Okay, clear? So children, you write this thing in the book itself. One more thing, no. It is already written here in the CW copy, but listen properly. In the CW copy, when you write the question answers or anything given in the chapter, so only one question you will write, answer you will write. The first, okay, let me tell you. You will write this one in the copy, CW copy. Heading will give opposites, like this. I'll show you. Like this. You will give opposites. I have written 4, all these 4. But you will write those others also. Hot, cold, sit, stand. Isn't it? Whatever is given in the book, you will write. Clear? And in read, reflect, come to page number. So this is done, understood, and you will send it for correction. Okay, this part is understood. You have got it, got the point. Opposites will write, give a top heading, opposites. Chapter number surely you will give. Opposites, write all this: up, down, tall, short, big, small, long, short. Then you will write the opposites: sit, stand, day, night, hot, cold, empty and full from the book. So how many you have got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 opposites you will write. Clear? Okay, you can do it. Yes. Done? Now once again let me come to page number 54. Read, reflect and write. Read, reflect and write. Okay, here what I am telling you, listen properly. Susan does number 2. Read, reflect and write. Susan does many things. Which of this do you do as well? So this answer will vary. Susan does so many things. Sings, dance, watches TV. Maybe you may not do, you may not dance, you may not like to dance or like to sing. So the answer will vary. Some of you may love, isn't it? So the answer will vary. I will not give you any answer for this. You write your own. Okay. Now, number 3. What are the things that make you happy? I told you earlier also. Now again I am telling you because you will write this in the CW copy. Number 3 you will write. Read, reflect, write. Here number 3 you will write in the copy, what are the things that make you happy. So for this you will write, see, number 2, the things that makes me happy are like, the things that makes me happy are when someone gives me a gift, when I play with my friends, when I am with my family, when I watch TV. And this answer may also vary. You can give your own points. 5 points are enough. 5 points are enough. Give 5 points, not more than 5. You can give less also, 3 points also. Okay, but not more than 5. Okay, so this thing you will write in the CW copy and I will send you the link. Please go to the description box. Here you will get the question answer of baby cheek and some animal sounds I have written for you. You have to learn them. And then of this chapter I have already given you. Okay, only this question is left, question number 3, as I have discussed also. Even if I will not give, I think you can write. Still I will send it for you. Okay, so children, thank you. Stay safe.